The cardia.
Yes.
Is the margin between esophagus and no, it's cardia is the first part of the stomach. Cardia is part of stomach.
Part of the stomach.
Yeah. But there are 4 parts of the stomach: cardia, fundus, corpus, and antrum.
So it's not the junction between esophagus and...
No, the junction is a junction. The cardia is a cardia. Junction is part esophagus and part cardia.
There was no discussion at the previous society, aesthetic society.
We discuss about the...
But I tell you something that is really crucial, is how to find cardia. That can be very difficult, particularly in hiatal hernia. So, but it's a very theoretical question.
Коллеги, какие еще вопросы? Да давайте, если есть такая редкая возможность, чтобы напрямую спрашивать. It seems to me everyone exhausted with your test. It's too.
But remember, this test was confusing with something wrong on the screen, something wrong on the piece of paper, and sometimes too fast, sometimes too slow, and then clear to see or not to see. This is how endoscopy is in your everyday life. And you should not be frustrated when it's sometimes a little difficult.
Can you advise which level of enhanced can you use, enhancement do you use
So there's a general, very simple rule. You push buttons until you like the picture. And it doesn't matter which button you push. But I generally advocate to put the enhancement level to something in the middle. Maybe a little higher than the middle. I never use low enhancement. The enhancement button is this one, here. This one, here, on the left side. And I used to change a lot before we had NBI and close focusing. That was the main tool I was playing. But generally I leave it a little harder than half. So if there are 5 steps, I have it at 3 or 4 in general. I change peak and average a lot.
Более детально все изменения. Рекомендации посерединке и пощелкайте до того момента, когда вас это будет в порядке, или чуть-чуть повыше.
And I have the near view here and the NBI here. Just. And the freeze here. But you know, whatever is comfortable for you. And the picture for the database I have on my foot. Because, you know, 3 buttons is enough. It gets too complicated.
And maybe it's a question for engineer and for Olympus manager. What is the maximum zoom we have using this scope? So we know that 160 series, it's zoom 150, something like that. And this, how much zoom?
Sorry, I cannot have an idea in my head, so it's bigger screen and with this enhancement, this blur focus. Yeah, it's 60 or yeah. But let me check. So
if you put it to the maximum, it didn't change. It's around 150 times. But that is only the physical magnification. We have less blurring of the picture, we have less artifact in the picture, so that's about the same magnification, but you see much more. But don't think about magnification, because it depends how far you are away from the lesion. You get a higher magnification when you get nearer. And if you don't get maximum near, you don't have it for 150 times. And if it's 60 times or 150, the question is, Can I see capillaries? Can I see pattern? Do I feel comfortable?
For just academical purpose,
Yeah.
which should I understand how much, and sometimes I also explain to patients how much it's more. So I usually also say that it's 50 or 70 maximum magnification, just at the same level of their acquaintance.
If somebody asked me, what about the magnification? I would take a bill and show the magnification. Say, can you read? Now I show you. So that's the reason why we had
Nice example.
which is, it's much easier.
Maybe
Because nobody has an idea what is the difference between 50-fold magnification and 100-fold. And what about the magnification if my monitor is larger?
it is scaling.
Because I just made the monitor larger. Is there more magnification?
It is scaling. It's maybe more correctly to tell that it's scaling or not magnification. Magnification is sort of optical effect.
Yeah, but is the scaling better if the monitor is larger?
Yeah.
So we put this image on this monitor. Do you see more?
No.
No, but it's larger. So it's the same number of pixels. And I don't think that your eye is able to really distinguish.
Thank you.
Ends up, if you can read things you cannot see with your unweaponed eye.
Еще есть вопросы? It seems to me we come to the
Yeah.
finish of.
If you are tired now, it's okay.
Let's make a general photo with all together.
Yeah, we should have.
Да. Ну, буквально два слова. Я думаю, что мы сегодня провели идеальную рабочую пятницу. Мы были в прохладе, мы были накормлены, мы работали в прекрасной лаборатории, с прекрасными препаратами. У нас был супервайзер, который мог поправить нас, если бы находили что-то непонятное. В реальной жизни мы этого не имеем. Будем к этому стремиться. Давайте поблагодарим нашего гостя.